How students can follow online courses. Students can effectively follow online courses by adopting a few key strategies. Create a dedicated study space. Choose a quiet, comfortable, and well-lit area for studying. Ensure it is free from distractions and has all necessary supplies, notebooks, pens, computer, etc. Set a schedule. Establish a regular study routine with specific times dedicated to attending classes and studying. Use a planner or calendar to keep track of deadlines and assignments. Stay organized. Keep all course materials and notes organized, either digitally or in physical folders. Regularly update and review your notes. Engage actively. Participate in live sessions, ask questions, and join discussions. Take notes during lectures to reinforce learning. Utilize online resources. Make use of supplementary materials provided by the course, such as readings, videos, and quizzes. Explore additional resources like online articles, forums, and tutorials to enhance understanding. Stay motivated and self-disciplined. Set short-term and long-term goals to stay focused. Take regular breaks to avoid burnout and maintain productivity. Communicate with instructors and peers. Reach out to instructors for clarification and assistance when needed. Form study groups with peers to collaborate and support each other.